Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 15th to February the 21st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. No? That's Babaylan TV. Again, yung live na yun, pwede kayong magtanong. So you're very much welcome na magtanong. And Virgo, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Pero this week, inuna ko lang po muna itong Timeless Tarot, no? So, baka bukas or sa isang araw, nandun na po yung 15 to 21st. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or pwedeng konti lang ang inyong ma-resonate ngayon, no? Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Virgo, gustong ipaalala sa iyo ng universe na hindi pa ito ang huli. Hindi pa ito ang pagtatapos. Hindi pa ito ang the end. No? Marami pang bagay na pwedeng magbukas. Marami pang bagay ang pwedeng mangyari. No? Sabihin natin, it may look like it in the surface na parang paano maibabalik, no? You might never know kasi, again, you might have no idea of the real situation. So, siguro sasabihin mo dito, I understand you kasi last year, no, November, so nawala ang lolo ko. Baka kasi isipin nyo, dead. Baka isipin nyo, paano babalik, no? We never know what really is beyond, no? On the afterlife, if there is afterlife, no? We may not know the reality of it. We may not know the meaning of our life, no? Pero there is a reason. Sabi nga nila, death is not the end. It is only the beginning. Sabi nila yon, no? We don't know. But I am seeing it here based on my experience, because I've experienced it. I believe in it, no? There is life after this. Because we are consciousness, no? We are going to go back to the source. Anyway, let's say kung it may look like it in the surface. Paano 'yan, no? Yung person ko may jowa na ngayon. Paano babalik? Bakit ba? Alam mo ba 'di ba? Alam mo ba na are they going to stay in the end? Sa'yo nga 'di ba? Nagkaroon nga ng separations So, the possibilities are endless, no? Pero yung sa'yo kasi, you down everything, no? Parang medyo inaccept na natin yung ating pagkatalo. Wala namang masama doon. Kasi kung, if that works for you, especially kung ito ay argumento, no? Mas okay na siguro yung silence kesa ipagdiinan ko pa, no? Ito. That's okay kung ganun, kesa magkagulo, no? Mas okay na siguro ako na yung magparaya, tumahimik. That's okay kung ganon. Diba? Pero ang sinasabi lang kasi dito is there's something more bigger that hindi mo alam, no? Na pwedeng mangyari, and things may turn upside down, things may, reverse and return back to you, no? With the Four of Cups, parang ang ginagawa mo dito ay bahala na si Batman, no? Doon siya kung doon niya gusto. I'm a live on my own, wala na akong pakialam. That's good. Kung ganun, no, Virgo, kasi you are actually moving forward, no, kung ito'y buhay pag-ibig. Kung nawalan ka ng kung finances, no, nawala yung pera, medyo masakit din yun. Baka mas masakit pa yun sa pakikipag-separate, no, sa jowa. So, parang sinasabi mo dito ay, siguro medyo kesa mag-dwell, no, ako sa, nawala na. O, di, hinanap ko na, wala talaga. So, kesa iiyak ko siya, no, mag-start na ako ngayon uling mag-ipon, mag-start na ako uli ngayong doblehin, no, ang aking ginagawa doon sa mga nawala para at least maibalik ko ng maaga. So you're looking for a solution right off the bat. Hindi ko sinasabing tinatakbuhan mo ang problema dahil again, hinarap mo nga siya and your response to it is really quick, no? Na wala, 'di ba? Anong gagawin ko, no? Kesa yung iiyak ko siya, magbukmok ako, mas lalong sayang yung araw, 'di ba? Di tumayo na lang ako, magsimula ako uli. At least, I'm being productive on that. So, with the Knight of Cups, unti-unti mong ginagawa, no? Hindi ka naman sabihin natin, hindi mo minamadali, no? You're part of this healing, kung buhay pag-ibig ito. Ganoon din naman sa buhay family, no? Let's say meron kayong hidwaan sa family, no? Alam mo at you know at the end of the day, family is family. At one point in time, magkikita kayo uli, mag-uusap kayo uli. This is not the end of it, no? Kailangan lang i-cool down. Siguro, things are heightened up. Things are, parehong merong heightened emotion. Pagkalma nito, okay na rin ang lahat, no? So with the Seven of Swords and the Judgment, ang sayo kasi dito, no, hanggat feeling ko naabuso ko, niloloko ako, agrabyado ako, I'm not giving in. Hindi na. So parang sinabi dito, I am woke, no? Nagising na ako, hindi na ako uli, no? Nangyari na before, never again. So, let's say, may nangyari sa aking experience na I was cheated on. So, parang feeling ko things are happening and I have evidence, no? Hindi ko nahahayaang ulitin pa, no? It might be with the same person, it might be a different person. The game is the same. The player may change, but the game is the same. So, repeater na ako dito sa game na ito. Kabisado ko na. No, hindi. Four of Cups, hinayaan ko na with the Queen of Cups. Parang ang dali. Feeling nila madali, no? Kasi parang sabi nila, ay, ang bilis naman nito nakaka-move on. Kala mo lang. Because what I am, hindi porke kumikilos ako to search for solution, hindi yun nangangahulugang hindi masakit para sa akin, no? I am just on the reality of making or searching for solution, finding an answer, than dwelling on for too long, no? With the Ten of Swords and the Ace of Cups. So parang, kung buhay pag-ibig ito, siguro meron ka mga connotations dito or mga judgments sa'yo. Ay, ang landi naman ito. No, kaka-break lang, may jowa na naman. No? Yung iba, siguro, no, wala pang 3-month rule. Sino ba nagbigay ng 3 months na yan? Meron dumating, anong gagawin ko? Diba? With the Knight of Cups, pero sa'yo, medyo ngayon ang ginagawa mo and the Four of Pentacles, medyo choosy. So, nagpaka-choosy tayo ngayon. No? Kasi parang, siguro, no, ang nasa isip natin, kasi kung saan ko lang yung pinagdadadampot, no? Ngayon magiging choosy ako, no? Especially doon sa mga in yung wala pang marriage, no? Pero kung married na, so parang ibang story ito. Kasi with the Four of Pentacles, also you're keeping things, no? Parang sige for the sake of, no, hinahabaan mo yung pasensya mo. At one point in time, minahal mo din naman. At one point in time with the Ace of Cups, no, binigay mo rin naman yung puso mo. So, crossing your fingers na magbabago with the Ace of Pentacles and the Strength card, you're holding on to something na this might be your belief, this might be the relationship per se, this might be the um, vision, no? Yung iyong pinanghahawakan. Faith can be, no? Through faith, parang sinasabi mo na, alam kong pagsubok lang ito, hindi ako iniiwan, no? Meron pa rin akong mga guides, meron akong bantay, merong you know, nakaagapay sa akin, hindi ko man siya nakikita, I know that there is, no? With the Six of Wands and the Emperor. So, parang feeling ko magkakaroon to ng biglang, hindi lang to 360 eh. Parang whirlpool ang nangyari or ang mangyayari. Bigla ang buwelo, bigla ang, um, parang bigla ang buwelo, bigla ang tadyak, no? Ng swerte, ng good news. Inaasahan o hindi, but this is something that, kunyari, ang inaasahan mo lang is manalo ng 2 million. Uy, baka naman, no? Ambunan mo ko pag nangyari, no? Yun lang ang iyong inaasahan. Pero ang tadyak pala sa'yo, meron kang 200 million. Ayan, na doble-doble. No? Eh kung gano'n naman, baka naman maambunan tayo dyan. With the Two of Cups and the Moon card. Ayan. Siguro tinatanong mo yung sarili mo, mahal pa ba ako ng taong to? Or baka tinatanong mo rin sa sarili, mahal ko pa ba siya? Nandito pa rin kaya yung stability, no? Pero ayoko kasing kumbaga sinasabi mo dito, I am focusing on my own happiness ngayon, no? Whether magstay ako, whether kumawala ako, whether kung ano man yung gawin ko, as long as masaya ako at hindi ako tumatapak ng ibang tao. I mean, you're very centered sa, sabihin natin, morality din, no? Kasi as long as wala kang tinatapakang tao, I'll do what I want, no? And because of your being a strong-willed person, the Queen of Pentacles is here. So parang ibibigay sa'yo, ipapa-experience sa'yo, higit pa doon sa mga inaasam mo, no? So tingnan natin dito ang iba pang message, no? Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo, no, Virgo, doon po sa ating Babaylan TV sa isang channel, nagla-live po tayo. So pwede kayong magtanong, no, kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Virgo, kung doon po sa kabilang channel, no, ay dito hindi kayo makaresonate, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Pero inuna ko muna to, baka bukas na or sa isang araw, yung 15 to 21 readings doon, no? Mahirap magsalita ng dire-diretso, no? Ayan. So, Virgo, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, baka po dumiretso na kayo, no, dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, meron po dong link ng aking website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, no? Nandun yung aking link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi po discounted yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandito po siya. Nandun din po. So, Virgo, I think that this is your person's emotions. It can also be yours but more on your person. Siguro ngayon, dahil you're giving them the dose of their own medicine, siguro, no? Iniisip niyo bakit kailangan niyo pa maghiwalay? Bakit humantong sa ganito, no? Bakit kailangan iwan mo siya, no? Bakit kailangan? So, feeling ko, ito yung may konting sisi, pero din meron ditong realizations, no? Yung pagdating sa kanya, baka kasi din siguro, no, iniisip niya, baka kasi meron din akong contributions dito na kaya siya nagkaganyan. So, magkakaroon ng enlightenment, di ba? So, let's get a message from the universe. Go back to the heart of who you truly are. There are There you will find a peace. Look at your life in its entirety. Acknowledge any old wounds and then release them. Use what they taught you as added strength. Keep moving forward with a renewed sense of confidence. And I guess ito nga yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Meron ka ng confidence, no? And parang sinasabi mo dito, natuto ko doon, no? Sa mga experience na yon. At hindi ko na hahayaan. So I think that you are on the right path, no? Hindi ko hahayaan na paulit-ulit nangyayari, no? Once is enough, twice is too much, three times, no? Or the third times is a choice. So, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Aries, Virgo, Leo, um, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn. Yan. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.